Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the stunning world of beauty trends, currently dominating social media. Get ready to update your look, because these gorgeous trends are about to take over. First up, we have the clean girl aesthetic. Think effortless, natural beauty with a focus on glowing skin, brushed up brows, and a touch of lip gloss. It's all about looking fresh and put together without appearing like you've tried too hard. Next, we're seeing a resurgence of bold lip colors. From classic reds to vibrant berries and even electric oranges. A statement lip is the perfect way to elevate any look. Remember to pair it with minimal eye makeup to let your lips do the talking. Then, we can't forget about the glazed donut skin trend. This involves achieving a dewy, luminous complexion that looks plump and hydrated. Think skincare, skincare, skincare. Focus on hydration, using serums with hyaluronic acid and a good moisturizer. Another big trend is the siren eyes. This is a more dramatic take on the classic cat eye, with a focus on elongating the eyes and creating a seductive, alluring look. Use a dark eyeliner and smudge it out for that ultimate smoky effect. We are also seeing the embrace of vibrant eyeshadows. Think bright, bold colors, and creative placement. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and techniques. Next up is the underpainting technique. This involves applying contour and blush before your foundation for a seamless, natural-looking finish. It's a great way to create a sculpted look without it being too obvious. Then there is the popularity of face gems and stickers. Adding face gems is a fun and easy way to add a touch of sparkle to any makeup look. Whether it's for a festival, a party, or just because, face gems are here to stay. Finally, we have the rise of skinimalism. This is all about embracing your natural skin and using minimal makeup. It's a reaction to the full coverage makeup trends, focusing instead on skincare and enhancing your natural features. So, there you have it. Some of the gorgeous beauty trends that are taking over social media right now. Which trend is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.